Hi, I'm Carmen. I'm a senior here at Loyola, class of 2019. This is my room in McAuley Courtyard on the east side of campus. This is our living area, communal space. So we originally actually had it set up somewhere different, but this place is kind of versatile. And then it's really nice that the kitchen is connected to the living area. So sometimes I'll be cooking dinner, or my roommate will be cooking dinner, and the TV's on and we have people in here, and it's nice to be able to talk but also use the kitchen. It's a really nice open space. Okay, so here's the bathroom in here. Pretty standard, all four of us share it, but it's really nice that we have the double sinks too that we can split, and I'm going to take you into my room. It's really nice that we can have our own spaces. The closet's really nice that we were able to split it down the middle. And it has shelves, so our shoes are on the second shelf, we have storage up on the first shelf, we have shoes and laundry and stuff on the bottom there. So the closet space really gives you a lot of opportunity to use your clothes and store things really well. We also have our dressers. Madison put her dresser out there just to give ourselves more room in here, and I put my desk in the common area because we wanted more space in here, but you can easily fit them both in here if you wanted to. So this is the balcony that comes with McAuley Apartments, so perk as comparison to other senior rooms, and it overlooks into the courtyard, so it's really nice to have this courtyard balcony for when it gets warm outside. People are playing can jam, they're playing football, they're playing soccer, and then we're able to sit here, have coffee and stuff, play music, and it's a really nice way to connect with the other community members of McAuley.